So these are what we call triangular prisms. And they're called triangular prisms because on the base there are triangles here and here. And again, you can always identify the base because there's always only two of the base. So this triangle is one, this triangle is two, this triangle is one, this triangle is two. This triangle, to find the actual volume of it, of a triangular prism, what we do now is notice that the base is a triangle. So you have a base here and a base here. We know how to find the volume of cubes by finding the base area first and then stacking to the height. The same concept applies here. We need to find the volume, we need to find the area of the base and then stack to the appropriate height. So all we have to do is find the area of a triangle. So our volume will be equal to the base area again times the height. Well, the base here is a triangle. And remember, the area formula for a triangle is 1 half b times h. And this time we're using little b, which stands for the base of the triangle. So it looks like half of b, the base area will be equal to 1 half of 10 times the height, which is 5. And if we multiply that, we get the base equal to 1 half of 50, which is 25. To find the volume, we just multiply that base area, which we got for 25, times the height, which is 4. And this time we're going to get the volume equal to 25 times 4 is 100. And we need to be aware we have units here. And since we're in 3 dimensions, we're multiplying the inch unit 3 times, or we're cubing it. So this is 100 inches cubed. To find the volume of the right triangular prism, or this this right triangle right here, find the area first of the base. Notice the base is here, and the other base is here. So again, we're going to find the area of one of these bases down here, and stack till we get to the base over here. So to find this area, we know that the base of this triangle is the 4, and the height of this triangle is the 3. So the volume is equal to the base times the height of the prism. Big B is equal to the base of the prism, or the base of the triangle, which is 4, 1 half of, because it's a triangle, 1 half of 4 times the height of the triangle, which is 3. So big B is equal to 1 half, 4 times 3 is 12. Big B is equal to 6. So the area of this triangle here is 6, and we're going to stack that area 8 times. So to get the volume is equal to big B, which is 6, times the height, which is 8. And that means that the volume of this triangular prism is 48 inches, or 48 centimeters. And again, the unit of measurement needs to be cubed.